A is for apple, apple. B is for banana, banana. C is for cat, cat. D is for dog, dog. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for frog, frog. G is for gorilla, gorilla. H is for hippo, hippo. I is for igloo, igloo. J is for jack-o'-lantern, jack-o'-lantern. K is for kangaroo, kangaroo. L is for lion, lion. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for nurse, nurse. O is for octopus, octopus. P is for penguin, penguin. Q is for queen, queen. R is for rabbit, rabbit. S is for spider, spider. T is for turtle, turtle. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for violin, violin. W is for whale, whale. X is for xylophone, xylophone. Y is for yak, yak. Z is for zebra, the zebra. Those are the sounds of the alphabet. Let's do it again from A to Z.